Hello guys, welcome back to ACE Learning. So guys, in this video we will cover 15 most asked Java interview questions which are mostly asked in top MNCs. So let's start. First question in our list is find longest substring without repeating characters. So in this question you will be given one string and you have to find all substrings from that given string, and in the end you have to return substring with maximum length. So that is two without repeating characters. So this video I will cover in video on this question I will cover in some 2 to 3 days. So stay tuned for that. And this was our first question. Now next question is find all permutations of given string. So you already know permutations means if you have given string ABC, then you have to find A, B, C, A, B, B, C, A, C and ABC. So you have to print all permutations of any given string. Now third question is find longest palindrome from given string. So palindrome means like if you have given string A, B, C, B, A. So this is palindrome, but you have to find longest of all possible palindromes from given string. So we will cover this video on this question soon. Now fourth question is print words of given statement in reverse order. So suppose you have given the statement रसोड़े में कौन था, so you have to print था कौन में रसोड़े. So you just have to swap the position of words in the reverse order. Don't have to reverse all complete statement, but only position of words. So I have already made the videos on this. You can find the link in description. So for some videos. Yeah, then fifth question is remove duplicate elements from array without using collection. So you already know linked hash set and set from collection can be helpful to remove the duplicate. But in this question you don't have to use any collections. So videos on this is already covered. You can find the link in this description. Now sixth question is find total occurrences of each character in given string. So this is one of the most asked. You must practice this question. This is like 90% this question gets asked. So you have to find the total occurrences of each character. Means you consider you have given string hello, then you have to find count as h1, e1, l2, o1. So this is how you can find the total occurrences. Now convert first letter of each word into uppercase. So this was one of the simple question, but it's mostly asked in MNCs, common top MNCs. So you have given string hello, or sorry, Virat Kohli, for example, and these are all in lowercase. So you have to convert V and K from Kohli into uppercase. So that is first letter of each word into uppercase. Then check whether strings are anagram or not. Anagram means if you reverse that particular string, then it should return the same string, and if they are equal, then they are anagram of each other. So consider Naman and AMAN, and if you reverse that string, then it will return the same string. So that means the string 1 and string 2 are anagram of each other. So this is how you can find whether string is anagram or not. Ninth question is find first non-repeating characters from given string. So consider you have given string hello. So in this question you have to first find the all non-repeating character, and amongst that first non-repeating. So you just have to write first, like from hello it will be h in the output. Okay, then 10th question will be similar, but in this question you have to find repeating characters. That is consider example of hello only. So first repeating will be L as it is appearing 2 times. 11th question. Now these are some questions on linked list. We will cover all these questions in some days, but for now let's see what can be possible mostly asked question on linked list. So first question is print middle element of linked list. Okay, so for example 1 2 3 4 5 is linked list, then middle element will be 3. So this was the question, first question on linked list. Second question is, that is the 12th in our list, is find loop in linked list. So for this question you have to use for start like first and second pointer, that is slow and fast pointer. So we will cover this in upcoming days. Now 13th question in our list is rotate the given linked list. So in this question you have been asked rotate the given linked list by some n number of position in leftwards or rightwards, like anti-clockwise or clockwise. So you have to take the parameter, that is n, as an input, and you have to rotate the given linked list based on that n value. Now 14th question is reverse the given linked list. So this is also one of the most asked question based on linked list. Consider you have linked list 1 2 3 4 5 and null. Then when you reverse the linked list, it should give output as 5 4 3 2 1 and then null. So we will cover this video in some days. And last question, that is find longest common subsequence in the given string. So this is also we are going to cover in some days, and these 15 are the most asked Java interview questions based on like coding interview questions. So I hope this will be helpful in your upcoming Java interview questions, and stay tuned for these videos. I will be uploading one by one, and we have already have playlist on Java interview question series, so you can refer that. I will provide the link in description. Till then, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.